Hey, Ryan and Ross and Eric. I'm going to give you a quick tour of a very important feature I think that was missing, and I believe the solution I've settled on is quite workable. And so the solution, or I should say the missing gap, before we had tier one primary drivers, however you want to define that, tier two, mid-range, pretty often available, not always your go-to dudes. And then tier three are the kind of fill-ins, owner-operators, the, as I call it, the farmer-fireman type. But we didn't have this scenario here where you have the, what I'm going to call sub-brokers. So they are small Dave DiPietro type trucking companies. They have their own fleet of trucks and their own drivers that they manage. So let me show you how it works. Right now I'm going to unassign everything from that side over there. Excuse me. So we now have jobs that are due for the 26th in the middle. We have our tier 1, 2, 3, and sub-brokers. So the first thing you can do is just grab a truck from Buckeye Hauling and assign it directly onto that project. And so now notice Buckeye Hauling is managing the project. Buckeye Hauling has one driver assigned. I can come over here, grab another one, put it on Navarre Township. So now we have two projects that have trucks scheduled for that day. And over here, we have Buckeye Hauling is supporting this one and this one. In the middle, we know what two of the 8 Buckeye Hauling trucks will be doing. Another interesting thing that I added into it is you can click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just say these are 5 DiPietro trucks. Hold the left mouse, drag it over here, and there go 5 of them put into the Minerva Residential, leaving 2 unmanned. And over here we have 5 of the Buckeye Hauling. So now a total of 7 out of our 8 trucks. We got one more truck. May as well put that in Minerva Residential. We could come over here and say, all right, I got one in Waynesburg subdivision. So I want to come here. I'm going to right click that, unassign it, and put that available truck against the Minerva Residential. That gives all 8 jobs that day are assigned to one sub-broker, and he then would manage it. Now, when we come over here to our dispatches pending, we should have all of those drivers, and this will become eventually the name of that trucking company, that sub-broker. But it tells you that you have these jobs going to Minerva Residential, and we would then retool the dispatch message to make sure that it's sending the proper information with the proper labels, the proper names, and so forth. We're not there yet on this part, but that is the gap that I believe I uncovered and I believe I have fulfilled. So again, as always, I welcome your comments.